In this video, I am going to show you how to use Zelle on Wells Fargo. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open your Wells Fargo app. Open a new account if you don't have an account and go and log in into your account if you already have one. Click on Pay and Transfer at the bottom of one of those tabs, the second tab. Once you do so, you will find Send Money with Zelle. Just go and choose that option. You'd like to accept the terms if you haven't yet. Then once you click on it, you'll have to click on Send Money. If you want to send, then of course you can click on request if you want to request money. Once you click on send, you will have to add recipients, like all the informations of the recipients that you want to send money to. If you click on requests, you'll need to give the sender your enrolled US mobile number or email address. And if you already enrolled, the money is typically deposited into your Wells Fargo account within minutes if they send it immediately. So after that, if you choose to send money, you will have to check that option that I'm sure this isn't a scam and that you would like to make that payment. Click on continue. Then you will be able to enter the amount that you want to send and confirm the transaction. Then click on send and you should be good to go. And just one thing to mention, as an example, you send money to someone and your recipient didn't receive the money. So if they are not enrolled with Zelle, they will have 14 days to enroll using the same email address or phone number you used. Otherwise, the payment will be returned to your account, so it will not be lost. And that's basically how you use Zelle on Wells Fargo. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.